I just cleaned the entire house and I feel good because like it's been looking real crazy down here because I've been just working and been out every single day, I feel like. But yeah, so I'm about to actually go upstairs and clean up real quick. I'm at Whole Foods. I really prefer not to shop at Whole Foods because they're like really expensive, but it's the closest to my house. So that's where I'm gonna shop. And just like that, y'all, I am leaving Whole Foods. I really don't like Whole Foods. I don't know why I play myself coming here, especially to be trying to like bulk grocery shop. We about to see what else is out there. For YouTube, yes. Y'all wanna be the vlog? Listen. Lewishakiem. Yeah. Alright, yeah. See? Thank you. Yo, so now I really, for real, gotta post this vlog. I'm cracking up. But yeah. So I'm about to head over to Fresh Grocer and see what's over there. But I'll see y'all once I get back to Fresh Grocer. So I just got to Fresh Grocer. And I'm cracking up because I literally parked all the way at the back, but I just have this paranoia that somebody is gonna hit my car, and like I just don't want nobody parking near me. Oh, hold on. But yeah, I just have this paranoia that somebody is gonna hit my I just threw my phone. Thank God I got the screen protector on. I feel like ever since I've started living by myself, I really like hate grocery shopping like really bad. It just seemed like I never know what I want. And I'm really the type of person to like get food the same day or like to eat out every day. Like, cause it's so much easier than coming here and trying to put together a meal. Like, y'all, I feel like I'm really trying so hard right now to grocery shop, but I'm about to just grab what I need for tonight and then I'm just gonna leave. And whatever it is that I do decide to eat this week, I mean, I work a double, but I'll be off of work at 9 o'clock. So when I get off of work at 9, I'll just go and buy whatever it is that I need to eat because I can't do this. So before I left the house, I forgot to check and see if I had any noodles already in the cabinets, but I'm thinking I want to do elbows. I'm making Alfredo with chicken and shrimp, but I think today I'm gonna try to bake it like a baked macaroni and cheese sort of kind of, but it's gonna be like noodles. So I think these noodles might hold up a little bit better than the elbow noodles, but I feel like I have these noodles in the house. Like, that's like the other day I went to the market and I bought 3 cartons of eggs because every time I go to the market I buy eggs because I forget that I have them in the house already. Like, it's crazy. God damn, a bag of shrimp costs $20. Can I have a pound of these clean shrimp? What shrimp? These ones right here, the extra jumbo clean shrimp. I usually buy myself something special to drink, like one of these little crayons or something like that, but since I'm having guests tonight, it's giving very much Hawaiian punch. I never know which one to get though. I mean, I feel like the red one, I don't know, I'm not really a fan of that, but everybody else like it, so. Let's see. I just got back to my house, but All I'm saying is I invited everybody out at 5 o'clock. It's going on 6 o'clock. If they not at my house by 7 o'clock, it's not given. My garage is literally on the 3rd block. So after I load all this stuff upstairs, I have to come back and drive all the way to the garage to park the car. Move. And if y'all haven't, well, I hate the sound of people eating, but if y'all haven't, y'all need to go check out my shorts. Linked in the description below on my website. Get you some because it's almost summertime and it gets hot outside. Onyx, tell them to go buy some shorts from my website, and the shorts is only $25. Oh, see, this is not a toy. Come on. Today did not even go as planned. Like, I wanted to go outside today, but my friends wanted to go to a day party and I wasn't really feeling it. I just got up from a little nap, so I'm about to go ahead and start making dinner. It is 7:50 right now. So I'm about to start dinner. Hopefully I'll be done dinner by like 8 o'clock. Alright y'all, so I'm about to start dinner. I'm really mad because like you know what? I'm not. Okay, so yeah, so I bought a lot of food so that way I have some food left over. So we got some chicken and some shrimp. Tupperware, because I ended up throwing all of my Tupperware from my last apartment in the trash. Because I didn't really feel like lugging a lot of stuff over here, so I just thought, why not throw it in the trash and buy some more? But I'm gonna stop doing that. Sure, but I wonder, like, can I? type to call a nigga like 20 times and ask him is he still coming. Why you lying? Okay, y'all, no shade, but my chicken just look a little bit like, I don't even know. To be honest, this is my first time making chicken, actually. Like, I've never made chicken like this before. And I know usually my mom, she'll buy like the whole breast and dice it down herself, or she'll buy like the strips, but this is my first time making chicken. But it looks like the noodles are done. But I think I'm gonna put some of this jerk seasoning in the chicken, because I like the jerk like Alfredo. So I'm gonna put some of the jerk seasoning just on the chicken by itself. But then I'm gonna put everything in this pan and bake it like a macaroni and cheese. I don't really know. We just gonna hope that it turn out good. Alright, y'all, so I just put the macaroni in this pan. I got some jerk chicken right here. Ooh, that is dripping. But I'm gonna put the chicken in here, and everything is like sort of done, so it shouldn't even have to cook like too long. But I'm about to put the chicken in here and just mix this up. And then I made this little like, this is usually what I make when I put inside of my baked macaroni and cheese. So we're just gonna whisk this up and just put this inside of the thing to kind of hold everything together. I'm mad because when I threw away all of my bowls, like I was saying before, I had also threw away my big mixing bowls. I just put the shrimp and the chicken in here, but I'm about to mix everything up together. And then I got some Alfredo sauce like boiling on the stove. Well, I'm making like Alfredo sauce from scratch. So then I'm gonna pour everything on top and put some more cheese on top, and then just, you know, mix it around and then put it in the oven, and let's see what it's giving. I just took the food out the oven, and this is what it looks like. I feel like it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's like wet, as you see here, but it's like Alfredo sauce, so it's not gonna be firm like a macaroni and cheese. But I tasted it and it's really good, so I'm about to sit down and eat. Who decided to show up? Look, shush. Look who decided to show up.
It's the nasty mouth.
What time is it?
And what's your cash app? The same way he showed up, I showed up. We showed up together.
Yeah, a mess and leave. And I sound a mess. There's a plate right here in the dish rack.
I think it's the St. I don't want that one. I want the small one. I like to keep it cute.
My juice tastes like watered down, but I'm gonna just put some more juice on top.
So we getting into this French toast casserole. We getting into the French toast. Where you going to the bathroom?
You about to show your what?
Cat. His cat. Okay, also this is how the French toast casserole look.
Okay, I want to see you taste it.
I will put it in the microwave so I can get all the nutrients and the flavors out of it.
Right.
Oh, sorry though. Now, one thing about me, I always ask somebody what's their cash at. Oh, good one, Sweetie, so can you please try to...
You don't got no like shrimp on there, but it's okay though. You don't got no shrimp, but it's okay. It's chicken.
Okay, so this is how it looks.
Give it a little bit. Why are you playing with me?
It's really not bad. Actually,
it's really good, right? You wanna know what's crazy? I literally was just like throwing shit in the pan. I'm like, okay, we about to make something. But it's like jerk chicken, regular shrimp, and the Alfredo. I made it like a baked mac and cheese, but I just didn't put like the, what you call it in there.
Wow. Hey, I don't see you just.
It's good?
Yeah, you true.
Okay, period. Is it giving like cell platters? Lewis
no,
cook.
It's good. This noodles is cute too.
Is it giving cell platters though?
Yeah, it's like a jerk Jamaican pasta.
A little jerk Jamaican pasta. Look, I bought Hawaiian rolls, but y'all bitches, y'all wanted to come like literally as soon as the party is over. This you recording for me. The Hawaiian rolls would have just been like a little extra. Onyx, come on, get out the litter box. Come on, get out. You just be in there. Like, I bought some Hawaiian punch. What you about to get done?
I'm gonna take the clear out my stomach and titties.
Damn, they ain't seen Young Quaddy in a week. Why you gotta be the one to drink out the glass cups like I don't have?
I just love, okay, let me say my real feeling.
Okay, what's the?
So, to me, plastic doesn't never really get clean if you ask me. Like, it's cute. Like, you know how you got a container, you might have a container and the container.
Right, and then they having like the little, yeah.
It just don't get me.
Plastic.
So I'd rather me get a glass so I can clean it more. And it gets, yeah, sorry, it's no shade to you, but I just don't like it.
No, I dig it,
I feel like the cups and stuff be raggedy, like, I'm not saying your house raggedy, but
oh, see, and you know, that's why he was probably waiting for me to like clean out his box. My room look a mess.
Break it. Hey vlog. Damn, they ain't seen Young Quaddy in a week. I'm trying, bro. Tell me what it tastes like. I don't know.
Cause Quad licked the plate. Bitch, talking about it.
You threw up. Come on.
Why is he playing talking about I threw up? Like, bye.
No, really, I really want to know how they know that. How do you just grow up knowing the people in the litter box?
I'm about to bust this open because I'm like struggling.
That's a mess. Why you doing something? What is this? You doing something?
First of all, don't do that.
No, look.
It's.
He about to bust open the $2 bill emergency fund. Girl, it's only like $4 in there. Go.
If you want to give me $40 to just say that, you talking about cash.
If you going out that nutty,
you talk. First of all, hold on, because that's not even a cute angle trying to show my.
What's in there? Stop.
It's jerk chicken. It's jerk chicken, shrimp.
I swear.
And
grab it?
No, bitch, don't.
You dirty.
Who made that?
I made it.
Oh, Young M ain't making it in a week. I thought that's not good.
Of course, it's delicious.
Let me see his face.
It's delicious because.
It's really good. No, seriously, it's not even nasty.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to end this video for the night. Everybody say bye. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog. It was nice to meet y'all.
I like that. That was real, like, professional. Say bye to the vlog. Look at Onyx. Say bye. Until we meet again.
I'll see y'all. William is W-I-L-I-A-M-S.
William?
The first letter in both of the